Hey, Welsh Dragon Metals here. Today I'll be assembling a 18 carat gold filled Sheffield 375 silver ring necklace. Here's the ring. I recently restored this in another video. It was mutilated. Check that out in my jewellery playlist. And here's the 20-inch 18 carat gold filled necklace. Try and focus on the lettering there we go. Should be very quick to assemble, and then I will showcase it and wear it. It's actually quite a nice necklace, or it should be, since it's quite long. Nice sound to that ring. Nice jingle on it. So, done, very simple. Shiny. Put that on. Looks quite nice. Well, till the next jewelry making video.